Process helps create a better relationship with the patient. How else can you redeem the investments? How else to reach the patient fast and straight without any middleman? Just as there was a cartoon during the Manmohan Singh's time of liberalization, a man pouring the bottle of beer directly into the washing commode, bypassing the middleman. How else to satisfy one's ego about one's capabilities and vis-a-vis others? This is all in favor of why should we not advertise. And the other thing, why not advertise? We become shopkeepers. The decency which we have put, the nobility name which is added to our, or the feelings which we express, acquisition, it affects the collegiality. Remember, we are licensed to be equally good to the job. We are being paid by the insurance company same amount of money whether you are a young man, entrant, or whether you are an old man, highly experienced. Advertising creates a product differentiation, competition, and hence confuses the patient. He doesn't read one advertisement, he reads many, he is desperate. Medical insurance will pay the same to all. The advertising can be informational, educational, laudatory, claims of superiority, exclusivity, uniqueness. These are the points which I have surmised out of my considerations, and they are the same which apply to my past lecture or to Quresh's lecture. Laudatory advertisements consist in creating conflict between interests of the physician and the patient. Patient wants the truth before he is coming to him, whereas the doctor wants him to come directly. When we held the first session on advertising in Ahmedabad, Badr was there with me. In the first line which we said, that a man starts from Guwahati and is coming to Delhi for keratoplasty, referred by a person, a doctor, and he is seen by Madan Mohan and told that you need keratoplasty and take the date. And the date was 9 months later. He did not know that Dr. Dhanda and Dr. Kalevar in Ahmedabad can do within a week. Communication lack. He wasted 9 months to come back again. So we want to give the communication, but we don't want to add anything more for the personal gain or a incision-less cataract extraction. Small incision heals, healing time is less. The healing takes place from end to end. Doesn't take place. Diabetics should undergo sutureless surgery. Less astigmatism with smaller incisions. Advertising itself is not unethical, but the intentions decide the ethicalness, and the intentions get shown by adding the adjectives. Whenever advertising is done, it must be accurate, it should not be fraudulent, it should not be misleading, it should not be directed to the vulnerable. It should not state that you can do everything with that. Lotus Hospital acquired a photocoagulator and gave it in the newspaper, and they got patients from Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh. Something new has come. And I got a letter from the Lotus Hospital superintendent that please try to help us. We will send the patients to you by a new advertisement. Please screen them and then send it to us. Because it was creating a law and order problem. All kind of patients reached. The patient is desperate, takes support of a straw. He is a lay person, mistakes the technical thing told by his doctor. He begs, borrows and steals money and tries to reach the advertiser to be told that you have optic atrophy. Nothing can be done. Goal of commercial advertising which you are talking about, the other people, any fact that could discourage business is omitted. If you see the advertisement on the television, they don't tell the other aspects, concealed and camouflaged. The whole truth is not put forward. The limitations of the technique or product is not displayed. Confidence and trust is the essence of the doctor-patient relationship. If once this trust is breached, your God doctor will no more be heard, which is today our flag counting, that the patient calls us God, he prostrates before us. I will tell the conclusions later. Now you come forward and tell. No risk factors also mentioned. Advertising to your colleagues, you should communicate about your capability and facility. That is helpful to the patient finally. He will ask, he will get the guidance and will come. Very soon we will have to market ourselves to the insurance companies. We will have to tell them how much will I charge for the surgery. To your colleagues, you should communicate about your capability. How should we advertise? How to reach the information? Targeted population is poor and illiterate. Should we employ radio and TV? Man Ki Baat? Even the university and government run institutions should market themselves, and their grants should be based on how much work they do. Their grants should be based on the total number of patients they treat every year. What is decent in advertising? This is another part. One thing is that you advertise, but you do it like Mahipal Sachdev. The whole page of the Times of India is there. Or there is a prime time news interrupted to talk about it. But what is decent? What all should form the contents of advertising? Should we have handouts and write-ups about diseases? Should we have websites? TV and other media visit the school and colleges for getting the myopic children, lectures at clubs and corporate houses, education programs for the layman. Should we offer discounts like in the industry today, discount coupons? This is a query to you. Diwali concessions. I have a surgeon colleague who charges half if the brother is paying on the Rakhi day for the LASIK procedure. He has advertised this. Calendars and diaries, special prizes, gifts and draws as an incentives to auto rickshaw and taxi drivers, follow-up charges for referrals. Until now, we consider it indecent. Is the medical profession different than other professions? Can advertising improve the quality of care? Will it improve the awareness? These are the questions which come. I feel we should all advertise. It will help in giving more communication, knowledge, awareness of the disease to the patient, as well as it will create a situation that collegiality will become to the new level. All are advertising. Or not that the man who doesn't advertise looks down upon the person who is advertising. It will create equality once again. The dilution of the effect of one which is creating the difficulty. That's what I feel.